Have you ever found yourself intrigued by the enchantment of three-dimensional printing? It's not just one technique, but several. The first method we delve into is 1. Fused deposition modeling is an impressive term for melting and extruding plastic layer upon layer. Moving on, we encounter 1. Stereolithography, a process where liquid resin undergoes curing through ultraviolet light, methodically, layer by layer. This technique is commonly found in creating high-quality models. Our journey then takes us to 3. Selective laser sintering is a process that employs a laser to convert powdered material into a solid form. This method is a go-to for intricate and detailed designs. Lastly, we explore 4. Digital light processing, similar to stereolithography, but with a speed advantage as it cures the resin in one go. Remember, each method has its unique strengths and applications, so the next time a 3D printed object catches your eye, ponder over the method that might have been employed to create it. The world of 3D printing is truly intriguing. Stay inquisitive and continue your exploration.